Hello and welcome friends. This is SR Learning and I'm your host Sandeep Roy. So this is the next part, or this is the continuation part from our previous video. Who are the newcomers? I request for them, please pause this video and go back to this previous series. Then it will be more understandable for you, because this is just a carry forward or continuation part from our previous video series. Okay, so in this video we are talking about the rest of the parts of the shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. Okay, last video we discussed from A to I, shortcut keys, but right now in this video we are discussing from J to Z. Okay, this is the last part. So let's start. The shortcut key of Control J. Okay, if we press Control J from the keyboard, then it will adjust our paragraph or adjust our sentence or text as a justify. Okay, so this is a alignment operator, or this is provide us a alignment which is justify. We all know that Word provided us 4 types of alignment. First one is left, second one is middle, third one is right, and last one is justify. So here it is, if we press Control Z, then it will provided us, or it will generated a justified text. Okay, so for this I just randomly insert some text from the Word. The question is how we can randomly generate some paragraph or randomly generate some text from the Word document. How is it possible? So let's study this. If we want to generate some random text without written anything or without write anything in the Word document, then we have to write equals to sign ran. I just write it again for you guys. So you have to write equals to rand, first bracket open and first bracket close. Then you have to press the enter. But there is a problem that here nothing will generated. Okay, no text, nothing will generated. So where is the problem? Let's study. If this kind of things happen with you guys, that when you write this formula and press enter but still not some paragraphs or some words are generated, then you have to set or redefine some options. Okay, so for this you have to go to the office button and press the Word option. After pressing the Word option, you have to go to the proofing option. Okay, click on proofing option and then click on auto correct option. Then after clicking the autocorrect option, you have to click the replace text as you type. When you click the replace text as you type, then you have to click OK and OK. And now if you write this function equals to, sorry, it already generated. Yeah, this is your function. Yes, this all are your function. Okay, we write ran function here. Okay, I just go to the previous portion. Okay, yes, so here so this is the function, and if we write these programs and enter, then it will generate this text. Okay, this automatically text which Word provided us. And if we select this text, select this part and click Control J from the keyboard, then it will provided us justify. Okay, so it's good, it's understand. Okay, next part is, or next option is Control K. Control K is help us to hyperlink some Word document to the browser, or to some links, or link with some website, or links with some same document. If we press, we already discussed the hyperlink part in my word series, so please go, if you don't know that what is hyperlinked and how it will be generated, then you have to go to and watch that video. But here I just provided you the shortcut keys. So if you press Ctrl K from the keyboard, then it will generate it will generate a hyperlink panel. Okay, insert hyperlink. So from here we can add some documents, some Word documents to some website, or some Word documents to another Word document. Okay, so this is the shortcut key of hyperlink. The next one is Ctrl L. If we press Ctrl L from the keyboard, then it then it shifted the alt text to the left side. But the problem is right now our text already in left side. Okay, so we have to shift this text first. So we have to shift our text center of the page. So from center of the page we have to press Ctrl M. Okay, so this is the center of the page, or maybe if we occupy the all spaces with the space key, then it will be good for shifting the alt text. Yes, we select that text from the keyboard and then press Ctrl M. So it go to the it moved to the right side, and then if we press Ctrl L, sorry, I press Ctrl I, so it's press Ctrl L. Yes, it's actually moving, but as a little space occupied. Okay, so that doesn't problem anyway, because this moving. Okay, so this is the shortcut key of Ctrl L. Next shortcut key is Ctrl M. It's actually provided us a paragraph indent. Okay, so we already have some paragraphs here, and this paragraph comes from a rand function. So if we selected this part and then press what, Ctrl M, then press here Ctrl M, then see what will happen. Ctrl M, yes, it maintained the indentation of this paragraph. Indentation means the gapping or the alignment of the paragraph. Okay, so this is the functions of Ctrl M. It's maintain the indentation parts of a paragraph. Okay, next one is Ctrl N. If we press Ctrl N from the keyboard, then another or a new file, Word file will generate. Okay, a new Word file will open. And if we go back to the previous page, then we have to we just have to close this page from the pressing the cross button. So this is the features of Ctrl N. The next features is next shortcut is Ctrl O. If we press Ctrl O, then we directly open the saving files panel. We just pressing Ctrl O from the keyboard, and it will open a save as option. Okay, and here we can provide it or write our file name, and we just open our file. Okay, so this is the open panel, which we can go also from the office button and press open. So this is the shortcut key for that for that step. Okay, so next one is Ctrl P. Ctrl P is the shortcut of print. If we press Ctrl P from the keyboard, then the print box or print panel will open. Okay, so this is the print of shortcut key. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q is clear the paragraph intent, which we apply on the Ctrl M. When we press Ctrl M, the paragraph indent will generate, and if we delete this paragraph intent, then we have to click the Ctrl Q. So already we applied here the paragraph indentation, but right now we have to delete that paragraph indentation as like the previous page. Okay, as we want to go to the previous structure, so we have to press the Ctrl Q. So Ctrl Q, and we are again the previous structure. Okay, so the all paragraph indentations are removed right now. So here we got the two twins key, as like Ctrl M is the functions of or is the applications of paragraph indentations, and if you want to clear that paragraph indentation, we have to click the Ctrl Q from the keyboard. Okay. Okay, the next option is Control R. Control R is the another alignment operator, or sorry, another paragraph operator, which provided us, or which shifted our word to the right of the page. So if we select this and press Control R, then the word will shifted over the right of the page. And now if we press Control L, yes, it again shifted over the left of the page. And now if we press the Control M from the keyboard, it will shift at middle of the page. So this is the features of the right, left and middle movement. And justify, for justify, we just press Control J. Okay, so it will generate the justify. Some things are moving. I know it's moved a little bit, but it's moving. Okay. The next option is Control S. Control S for saving your file directly or shortcutly. If we press Control S, then our file will saved again. Okay, we already discussed that what is the difference between save and save as in our previous video. So please go back on the notepad video. I just all described all this part as when we press save and when we press save as. So right now I'm not gonna discussing this. Okay, so Control S is the shortcut key of save a file. If you press Control S, then it's automatically saved your file again. Next key is Control T. Control T is hanging intent. If we press, or if we select this word, and if we press Control T, then it will hanging intent. It's not affecting yet because we are not seeing this. So if you want to see this, then we have to watch out this part. Okay, the ruling section, just follow this one, and I press right now Control T from the keyboard, then it will be moved. Just see this part. Yes, it's moved here, and again I am pressing Control T, and it's moved again. So this is the hanging intent. Its name is hanging intent. Okay. Okay, the next part is underline. If we give a underline from a selected text, so at first we have to select some text, and now we want to give a underline from the selected text, then what will be happen, or what will we press from the keyboard? We press Control U for applying underline from a selected text. And if we reduce that underline, then we have to press Control U again, then it will be removed. Okay, next one is Control V. Control V is purposely applying for paste some text, or paste some copy or cutted word. Okay, for cut we have to we have the shortcut key is Control X, and for copy the shortcut key is Control C, and for paste we have to apply, or we have to press Control V. Okay, so this is the Control V for pasting something, right? If you want to copy these things, then selected and copy, and if you want to paste that things, then press Control V from the keyboard. I'm pressing Control V from my keyboard, so I'm just pressed and it will generate. It's generated, right? Okay, so next part is Control W. If we press Control W from the keyboard, then my recent file is been closed. Okay, close the file. So if we press Control W, my file will close. But after closing my file, Microsoft Word warning me to saved my file, recent file. Do you want to save the change? A to Z shortcut in Word. A to Z shortcut in Word is the name of my file. You can see this. Okay, so Microsoft Word is asking me that we want to save that file or not. Yes, I want to save that file, and if you say yes, then it's saved my file and it's blocked, and it's closed. Okay, and if we want to open that file again, then we have to close that window, and we have again we just selected this file and double click on it. Okay, so here we again, and we have to go that part, and where it is, and this is, yes, this is here. So we are in Control W. So if we press Control W, so our file, recent file, will closed. Okay, no problem. Next one is Control X. We already discussed Control X for cutting some elements, so our data So applying this, we have to select some word first, then press Ctrl X, so data will cut, and data already cutted, and we have to paste this. So we already know the shortcut of the paste. What is the shortcut? Yes, I know you know that the shortcut is Ctrl V, so it's come again, right? Okay, so next one is Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y is redo, and Ctrl Z is undo. Undo means the previous version, and redo means the present version or next version. Okay, so applying this, then we can understand this. So press Ctrl Z first from the keyboard. So I'm pressing Ctrl Z from my keyboard. I'm pressing Ctrl Z. That means is go to the previous portion. And now I'm again Ctrl Y from my keyboard, then it's come again to the present position. Okay, so that's all. I think you all understand all the shortcuts from A to Z. We all discuss that all over the shortcuts what provided us A to Z. The last video we discussed A to I, and in this video we discussed J to Z. So these two videos are package of the Microsoft Word's all shortcuts. Okay, so in next video I'm going to provide you all of you advanced shortcut in MS Word. So don't go away. Just keep watching, and I'm providing you some advanced and some important shortcut which we actually needed in our daily life, which we actually needed for cracking some interviews or data entry jobs. So keep watching, and thank you for listening. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video. Please keep watching, subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, then please comment on my comment section, and like the video. If you like it, please click the bell icon. For today, that's all. Thank you all. Bye bye.